phenomenon of secularism and its understanding. Part 8. Causes and factors behind the spread and formation of secularism in Western society. The expansion of secularism in Western societies stems from numerous causes and motives, many of which can be discussed here. However, these causes are largely tied to a rare and significant event in the history of their societies, namely, the widespread distortion of their religion and religious law. Therefore, we will begin our discussion with the issue of distortion. From the advent of Christianity, Western society remained committed to this religion and its teachings. Christianity initially managed to present a correct and sound representation of divine and religious teachings to their society, encouraging and motivating them to implement divine commandments and seek the pleasure of God. Jesus, like all other prophets who were sent to revive religious consciousness and save humanity, was sent to his people with the mission of rescuing them and conveying the saving message of monotheism and belief in the hereafter. As long as he remained on earth and guided his people, he engaged in the best forms of reform and religious outreach, fulfilling his mission in the most excellent manner. However, after his ascension to the heavens, a group of his followers introduced major distortions and alterations into his religious teachings, thereby changing the very nature of his prophetic mission and the message of salvation he brought.